I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to do our weekly forecast. What setups do we have for this upcoming week? This upcoming week starting from the 15th of May until 19th May. So here we are on Forex Factory. So we are now just checking up, okay, what are the weekly news release for this upcoming week. So okay, now looking at US dollar, on Monday we have US dollar Empire State Manufacturing Index. On Tuesday we have AOD. This one is a low medium monetary policy meeting minutes. At 9 a.m. we have GBP climate and counter change. And at 12 p.m. we have Euro. At 3:30 we have CAD CPI. In 83 also we have core retail sales and retail sales at 5 we have Euro ECB President Lagarde speaks. On Wednesday we have AOD news. Wage price index, and on the same day on Wednesday we have GBP news. BEO Bank of England Gov Bailey speaks. And we have also AOD unemployment rates. We have NZD annual budget release, GBP USD unemployment claims on May Thursday, and we also have CAD Bank of Canada Gov Macklem speaks. And on Friday we have CAD core retail sales. We also at 6 p.m. we also have Fed Chair Powell speaks. So that's all. So let's get back to the charts now. Now looking at the chart, as we normally start with the DXY. We always start with the DXY. Now looking at the chart, as you can see here, DXY has been bullish. It turned bullish on the whole week. The whole last week it was bullish. As you can see here, we had a break of structure. Now we are looking for what now? We are looking for a pullback. Next week we are looking for a pullback. If you could get a pullback, and then if you get a pullback, maybe in this supply zone, because we have a supply zone which you draw here. If price can come back, you can look for sales also on USD pairs. There's a pullback here. We are expecting for a pullback, and then we buy. So that is my view on DXY, as you can see. So now let's look at Euro USD. Now looking at Euro USD. Euro USD, as we can see now, the market has turned bearish, as you can see here on daily. On H4. Daily is also bearish, extremely bearish. So now let's look at the H4. H4 we are bearish. So now we draw two structures here. There is a break of structure here, and we draw two supply zones. There is this supply zone, and then there is this major one. So now you have to look to enter these two supply zones. So, and to target this risk reward ratio of 1:3 or 1:4, it's up to you. So now you just wait for price to come back at this supply, and then you sell, or at this one. So this is, as you can see, Euro is extremely bearish, guys. It's extremely bearish. If the dollar is pulling back, if the DXY is pulling back, selling, we expect euro to buy, so we must buy this euro. We wait for a change of character on a lower time frame. Let me say like uh, H4, H1 and M30 or M15. We look to enter at M15. We target this. So we have, if you want to buy, you have to wait for a change of character and you wait for a pullback and then you target where your target should just be into this supply zone here. That should be our target. So, but overall we are bearish, as you can see, guys. So I'm only looking to sell. I'm only looking to sell at this supply zone, these two supply zones. So I'm not looking to like buy. But if I see a nice setup there, I'll buy, obviously. So now let's look at the GBP USD. Not GBP USD, but Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Let's look at Euro JPY. Now looking at Euro JPY, we are on H4. We are bearish. As we can see, we have a break of structure and price is currently at this supply zone. So we are waiting now to see what happens. If you see a nice if you see a nice candlestick pattern here, you just sell. Or we might break out and then you wait for what? After a breakout, you wait for a pullback and then you buy. So most of our setups, they normally develop on Tuesday or Wednesday. So Monday we don't take trades unless if you see a nice setup that is fully developed. That is when you can buy. That is when you can sell or buy. So that is my view on Euro JPY, as you can see. But on the other hand, we are looking on daily. On daily, we are a bit bullish, as you can see. But on H4, we are bearish on H4 because we are breaking structure to the upside on daily. But on H4, we are bearish. Just check here, as you can see here. So price is currently at this supply zone, which is here. So now we wait now what Monday will bring us. Now looking at let's also look at AUD USD, AUD USD. Looking at AUD USD, we are bearish, as you can see on H4. We are bearish. On daily, we are also extremely bearish. So now we must wait for what? Must wait for a pullback. Now you can either buy on H1 or M15. You wait for a change of character on a lower time frame and do what? And buy. So you buy, you target this supply zone which is here. You buy targeting what? Targeting this supply zone which is here. So, but overall we are bearish. Overall we are bearish, as you can see. That is AUD USD. So now we are waiting for a pullback. Now we will be in a pullback phase. So what we have to wait is just what price will give us on Monday and then we end up. For me, I'm looking for sales. So I'm just waiting for price to pull back at this zone and then I sell. So that's my view on AUD USD. Now looking at AUD JPY. AUD JPY. Looking at AUD JPY. AUD JPY is a bit as you can see on daily we are bullish, but we tap in this supply zone which is here. That is where we tend. And then now on daily we are breaking structure to the upside. So upside, breaking structure to the upside. So now we are currently at where? We are currently at this zone, so demand zone, which is here. So now we are either price can open and do what? Break higher on a lower time frames, and then it can proceed to go higher. Go higher, or price can just continue to go lower. So if price break up, we do what? We wait for a pullback. We wait for a pullback and then we buy. So we buy, or we wait for a pullback here and then we buy. Or price can just open and do what? If it open and then break this low, wait for a retest and then we sell. So that's my view on Euro JPY. We target this low here. So now let's look at the NZD USD. NZD USD. Looking at NZD USD, we are bearish, guys. We are bearish. As you can see, we are extremely bearish. We are coming from this supply zone, which is here now. So now for me, I'm waiting for a pullback now. So there are two areas that I can look at. There is this one that I can look at, and then because I'm already in a buy, in a sell. I'm already in a sell. I'm holding this sell here on a higher time frame. So either price can just open, make a pullback. On Tuesday we are waiting for a pullback, and then on Wednesday or Thursday we sell. So this is my second zone, my second supply zone. Now so for now we are just patiently waiting for price to do what? To do a pullback, and then we sell at this zone. Or if price doesn't reverse in this zone, we wait for price to come back at this zone, then we sell here again. So targeting what? Targeting this low, which is here. As you can see, we had a change of character here on a what? This is the change of character, a minor change of character, and a higher change of character. This one, we had a shift. As you can see here. So we are waiting now for a pullback now. So we can check which zone to draw. We already draw this one and this one. So I'm waiting now for price to come back at these two zones and check which one I can enter. So, but for you, if you want to buy, you can also buy in a pullback on a lower time frame. You wait for a change of character and then a pullback and then you buy. So, But for me, I'm only interested in a sell. So now let's look at the USD JPY, USD JPY, USD JPY. Looking at USD JPY, we had a break of structure here, guys. We had a break of structure, as you can see. So now what? We are waiting for what? A pullback. So we change of character here. Price did what? Price did pull back, and then we did what? We reacted here, and then at this demand zone, and then we bought. So now we are waiting for a pullback now. So I'm waiting for a pullback at this supply zone that I draw here, and then I can buy. Then I can buy. We're targeting this higher. So that's on H4. And on daily, we are also bullish, but we are coming from this supply zone which is here. So but there's still too much to fill here up here. We might even break this equal high that we have here. So that's my view on USD JPY. Now looking at USD card. Looking at USD card, we had a change of character here. Price came back to this demand, and then we bought. So looking at the DXY is extremely bullish. Extremely bullish on H4. So now we are waiting for what? For a pullback. We're waiting for a pullback, and then we buy here. That's my view on US card, as you can see. But we've been consolidating around this area the whole time. We've been just around this area. We had a break of structure here, obviously, and we came back. So we are just in this. We are just trading in this area, this whole zone, as you can see here. We are just consolidating in this zone. But yeah, that's my view on USD card. USD CHF. Let's look at USD CHF. Quickly, USD CHF. USD CHF, we are bullish, guys. We are bullish, as you can see. Just at the H4. So we had a sell here. That was the target that I was targeting. On H4, we are consolidating. So I'm waiting for price to break out of this. So I'm waiting for price to break out. So we had a buy, we had a sell here the other day. So we had a nice sell there. So for now, we have this shift, which is internal structure that shifted to bullish. And do what, and what else? So let me draw a supply zone which is here. The price can just pull back and do what, and continue higher, as you can see. So we are just waiting for a pullback. We are patiently waiting for a pullback, and then we buy. So we have one supply zone which is here. So internal structure on H4, it's shifting to bullish, guys. As you can see here, break of structure, high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, high. So now we are waiting for a higher low. We are waiting for a higher low now, and then we buy. So that's my view on USD CHF. Okay, GBP USD. Now let's look at GBP USD. GBP USD, as you can see, last time we had a buy here and then we had a nice buy here, guys. We had a 1, 2, 3. So now we have shifted structure now. We have a change of character here at this lower time frame, which is here. We have a change of character here. Now we are waiting for a pullback. Now we draw a nice supply zone, which is here. So now I'm waiting for price to come back. Now I'm waiting for price to pull back and then we sell. So targeting, we're targeting this low here, a 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 4. It's up to me which one do I want. So on H4 you can see a break of structure there. There's a break of structure, guys. There must be a break of structure when you enter in the trade, guys. So don't just enter random trades where you don't know where the market is going, so you are just there entering random trades. As you can see, guys, we have a change of character and the market forms a higher low, a lower low, a lower high, lower low. So now we are waiting for a potential high, a lower low, lower high. In the lower high, and then you sell there. That's where you can sell. So that's my view on GBP USD. As you can see now that the dollar is rising, so expect GBP USD to drop. So let's look at now GBP JPY. GBP JPY. GBP JPY. We kinda shifted here. I don't know if we came to grab liquidity. I think we came to grab liquidity. But as you can see here, me, I'm on a buy. I'm on a buy. But if the market reverses here at this supply zone, which is here, then we are currently at the demand zone. That's what I see. But we break out of the demand zone now. I don't know if maybe it invalidates the demand zone or what. As I can see, we just came to grab liquidity here and then we buy. I'm already in a buy, so I'm waiting for price now. What is price going to do on Monday or Tuesday? If it breaks lower, I enter a sell here, guys. If it breaks structure to the lower side, I sell. I will be in a sell, targeting where? Targeting this low here. So, but for me now, I'm just in a this buy. I will be waiting. I'm just waiting because we had a change of character already here. So I will check what is the market going to give us on Monday. So guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment down below what are your setups for this coming week, or which currency pairs should I include in my weekly outlooks or analysis, guys. So now let's look at the GBP at gold. Let's look at gold. Gold is my favorite pair, guys. Gold is my favorite pair. I trade this gold. So as you can see, guys, the other week I was taken out of the trade by CPI. This move, it was caused by CPI, and I entered this supply zone, which is here, guys. That is where I entered the other day. So I'm still holding this sell. So I took profit here. And I re-entered again here, somewhere here. So now I'm waiting now. Price is already at this tapped in this supply zone, which is here. So I'm waiting for gold to drop. If it breaks this one, and then we wait for a pullback, and then it can go lower. So I'm waiting for gold to drop lower. I'm waiting for gold to drop lower here. As you can see, guys, we are already bearish now on the H4. We are bearish now. We shifted the structure. We are bearish, as you can see, guys. So on a lower time frame, we already had a pullback. So now we are just selling now, guys. We are selling now. If you maybe we might have a little pullback and then you can sell again. So that's up to the market. You just watch what the market gives us. You don't predict the market, you just watch price, what is price doing, and then you check. Okay, now let's look at NAS. Let's look at US30. US30 has shifted bearish, as you can see here. We had a break of structure here on the downside on H4. We are obviously having this break structure here. So we had a break of structure here, and then we sold here. We sold here, and then so we are waiting now for a pullback into the supply zone, and then we could sell here, guys. As you can see, guys, we are waiting for a small pullback, and then you could sell. I'm targeting what? Targeting this low. This low would go. So we are waiting for a pullback at this supply zone, and then you can sell. So that's my view on US30. That's my view on US30. Let's look at NAS. Looking at NAS, we are breaking structure to the upside. As you can see, we are bullish on H4. On daily also, we are bullish also on the day. On daily, we are bullish on daily, as you can see. So now price, I'm waiting for price to come back at this supply zone, and then we could buy here. That's where my buy is. So, or my first buy is here at this supply zone, and my stop loss is just below this low here. We are making higher low, higher low. Now we are expecting a lower low, a higher low here, and then we buy. We're targeting this higher. That is my first buy. My second buy is at this zone, which is down here, below here. So that's where I would buy, because we are extremely bullish, guys. As you can see here, we are extremely bullish. So now let me look at other pairs. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you finished cook. Let's go eat.
Uh,
This food is
I'm recording quickly, ne? I'm recording quickly.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, that one is for 2P. Okay, as you can see here on Euro GBP, so we had a sell here, but we have been taken out of the market by this move. So we are now bearish. As you can see, we are breaking structure to the downside. Euro GBP, we are breaking structure to this downside, guys. We are obviously bearish. Breaking structure to the downside, as you can see. As you can see, price came into this supply zone, which is here, and then the market sold. So now we are waiting for the market to come at this supply zone, which is here, and then we sell. Or the market could just reverse here and then pull back, and then it goes lower. So that is where we can enter a sell. We're targeting this low here. As you can see, that low would go, because we are making now high lows, high lows. As you can see on H4, price came back where price came at this supply zone here, and then it sold, break of structure. I'm back with another video.